Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to solve a Pyraminx. So the fundamentals which you should know before solving a Pyraminx are these are known as the tips or the corners. These are known as the bigger tips. These are the centers and these are the corners. Okay, as you can see the Pyraminx is scrambled, and now we want the three of the centers to be together. Okay, so we want all of them on one face. So we will check it if it is in the right place or not by just rotating this bigger tip 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 of them, so it is, I think it is at the right place, but let's verify it. 1. Oh, as you can see, 3 of the centers are in the same face, and now we have just matched the corners or the tips. Now once we have done that, we will hold it upside down and now match the other centers like that. The next step is, now we have to solve the base. Okay, so we will find the corners, the edges which will have yellow on it. Okay, so one of them is right here, it is yellow and red. So now what we will do is match red with red, as it will come here. Now those of you who have watched my 3x3 beginner video, they might be knowing that how to solve and how to insert it right over here. So once we have matched it, okay, we will take the place out, match it and put back down. Now we have green, we will attach green with green, and now we have matched it on the right side. Now we'll start it with the left side up, match, left side down. Now we have another case in which only 2 of them need to be flipped. So it is easy: right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. Now we will solve this one with another method, which is we'll move it away, we'll move the place where it is going upside, then just attach and solve it. Okay, so I call this one the devil's eye case, in which we have to apply one formula, which is right side up, push with the right hand, right side down, push with the right hand, right side up, push with the right hand, right side down. Devil's eye case, it may take a bit long, only 2 times or so to solve it, so don't be mad. Okay, so here we have a case. I don't know how to name it because it is not very clear, but you can remember it by that it is not the case from the above 3, means what I've told. So here what you have to do is you have to apply the devil's eye formula over here, the algorithm. You have to apply until one of them is solved. Okay, it is solved in just 1 time, but it may take 2 times to solve, and now you can just solve it as normal case. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have learned something new. So stay cool, bye bye.